So this is from a previous presentation I did, but this is the funnel I'm talking about here. It's a typical funnel where we are getting traffic to what we call a lead capture page right here. That is the lead capture page, which we're going to build quickly using a tool. I'm going to show you how to do that really fast. And then we send the traffic after they've entered their email to a tripwire offer. In this case, we're going to use an affiliate offer, which will be a video sales letter, okay? Now, at the same time, if you want to be more compliant, you don't have to put a tripwire offer here. You can just tell people to go check their email, at which point you give them that offer, okay? But here we're going to do a lead capture, tripwire, and then we're going to have the delivery in the back end, which constantly sends messages over and over and over to our audience, okay? So in this process, we are also placing our Facebook pixel or a Google pixel or whatever traffic source we want to use. We're going to be placing that pixel on our lead capture page, on our tripwire page if we can, unless we're direct linking to an affiliate offer. And then in the end, we just basically want to track people clicking through and becoming a lead on our form and then going to the offer. So generally speaking, I will track this area right here, and I want to make sure that if I'm setting up Facebook ads or if I'm setting up other ads and retargeting people who haven't converted on the tripwire, that I'm retargeting these people that came through the lead capture. I can also retarget people that have just arrived and did not become a lead yet. However, I want to do that later. But there's so many different ways to do this. I'm not going to get into that retargeting stuff right now, but that is the purpose that we have of building these funnels, okay? So now let's get out of here and let's just go and talk about ClickBank for a second. Now, like I said, diet is one of those industries that everybody likes. So what I would do is come in here and I want to find the hottest diet. We'll say diet supplements, because diet supplements are one of the most sensitive areas when it comes to getting approved on Facebook, especially for affiliate marketers. If you're a product owner, obviously maybe you have ways of getting past that, but let's just talk about that for a second. So if I go to health and fitness here, there is a section in dietary supplements here. And if I sort by gravity, I can see which products are the top for affiliates right here, okay? So this one here, that's an insane gravity. 812 for a gravity is very good. That means this thing is converting like mad, and I'm sure it is a video sales letter. Let's just check. Yes, okay, so it is a video sales letter. So I'm going to use this as the strategy here. I am going to offer people a free guide as well as access to a free video, which is going to be this video, which is the sales video for research, okay? So to do that, let's just say you already know how to build a domain, you already know how to set up WordPress. Then next step, oh, by the way, if you don't know how to do that, go to powerhouseaffiliate.com/action-plan. We have it all laid out step by step by step, how to set up the tracking, how to set up your blog, everything, okay? Now that you've done that, you're going to need a tool to build your squeeze page, and you need to integrate that with your autoresponder, because we are going to build an email list here. That is part of our funnel, and that is the intent of this video, to show you how to do that. So the tools you're going to need are OptimizePress, the tool I use, OptimizePress. If you want to get that through my affiliate link, go to dayjobhacks.com/OptimizePress. You will be supporting my channel, and you'll also be getting an excellent product. The other product you will need is Aweber. Again, dayjobhacks.com/Aweber. You will get a free month by going through that link. And again, I am an affiliate for them, but they are great products, and I use them every single day in my business. So again, OptimizePress and Aweber are the two products I'm going to be using here, assuming you already have your website set up. So now, what I want to do is I want to offer somebody something on the front end. So what I want to do once I have OptimizePress installed is create a new page. It is already integrated now with Aweber, where I've created my list. And now what I want to basically do is just set up a squeeze page, and they have a ton of templates in here, okay? You can choose from whatever template you want. They have many different niches, but let's just assume I'm in the diet niche, which I am here in this example, and here's a perfect example of one of their templates built for the diet niche. Use this template. We're going to call it Resurge, okay? Because that is the offer we plan to promote on this page. Now what we want to do is we want to offer a freebie. This is the opt-in bait. This is part of our funnel. We need to give somebody something so they enter their email here. And once we send traffic, which I'll talk about here shortly, we want people to arrive here and sign up and go through our email capture here, okay? So I'm not going to do too many changes here because it takes too much time in these videos. But basically what I would offer here is a free guide and a free video. So how do I give them a free guide? And how do I give them a free video? Okay, so this is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to put a headline here like, sign up here to get a free guide, we'll say, whatever. Like, I'm not going to get into too much of the marketing side of this right now. Sign up here to get a free guide and watch our free video. Okay, so this is what we're doing here. Now, obviously, I would put some real effort into this and test and split test and do all that kind of fun stuff, of course. But right now, we just want to set this up. So to set this up, I've showed this before. You basically click on here and you click on opt-in form and you integrate it right here, integration options, and you click that and you connect it to your Aweber account. Now, all of your emails coming in here are going to Aweber. Now, you want to give them something in that first email in Aweber. What I would do is give them a free guide, and to get a free guide, it's very easy to do. Go to dayjobhacks.com/PLR. You will come to this site here, and basically you can download unlimited ebooks, videos, courses, all of that stuff, and you can use them in your own marketing. So let's say I want to give them a free keto guide, whatever it is on my squeeze page. I would type in keto in here, and you can see there are just a ton of products here that I can download. The Bulletproof Keto Diet. If I want to go supplements, okay, diet, just diet in general. If I click search, I'm going to get a bunch of search results showing all of the different types of products I can literally buy for, I think it's like 30 bucks for the whole membership, or no, not even that, it's probably like 20 bucks. I don't even know how much it costs here. But basically you can get ebooks on anything, and now you can use these in your own promotions. You basically own the public label rights to it, so you can do whatever you want. You can change them, you can add your own affiliate links inside these guides, which I do personally. I send the first email through Aweber giving them the guide, okay? So that is the first thing once they get the guide. But as soon as they enter their email on this form, it's very important that I send them to a page afterwards. And this is the Tripwire product, okay? So now you can either do your own landing page right after they enter their email, which is a very good idea because then you can place the pixel onto that landing page, okay? So what I would do here is I would do a page, which I've already done, so I'm going to show you. So what I'm going to do, once they enter their email here, I edit the integration and I go through the steps and I choose the list, and there's going to be a point where it asks me where do I want to send the user after they enter their email. So what I want to do there is I want to send them to a page that I own so that I can place my pixels on that page, telling my traffic sources that I've collected a lead from this subscriber. So this is the type of person I want to target next time I run ads, okay? So I've created a really simple one-click page that I'm going to send people to, which you can change, and you can add also my recommendation, which is adding all of the disclaimers at the bottom saying this is not Facebook, this is not endorsed by Facebook, this is an advertisement, blah, 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 blah. All those legal disclaimers at the bottom, okay? So here is an example of that page that you can, here's one. So it's just one drink that melts fat, so it's kind of a picture, but there's other ones I have here as well. So these are the pages, this is the page you're going to see after they've actually entered their email, okay? Here's another one as well. So it's a very quick page, there's not a lot of content, but basically you're just trying to get that pixel to fire, telling the network that you've got a lead, okay? So then they're here, there's nothing for them to do except watch that video, at which point it's going to send them directly to the offer, which would be this link here that I created from Research or Leptitox or any of these other products here that I want to promote. Basically, when they click through my page, they're going to go to that. Now, and a more, I guess an even more advanced step here, if you want to get really serious, is you can go and where we had that landing page, we can actually get people to fire the pixel once they've clicked through that landing page. And to do that, you would need to use Google Tag Manager. And so we would, if we wanted, we could say, okay, I want all of my people that arrive on this page to fire the pixel, but at the same time, I also want to fire the pixel when they click watch video. So when they click watch video, again, you can tell Facebook or Google or Bing or whoever that person converted to this stage, okay, in your funnel. And to do that, again, use Google Tag Manager, go in there and set up a link click tag, and then just put that on your page here. You can install Google Analytics right in WordPress using their plugin. Again, I'm not going to go into that detail right now, but that is a more advanced metric that you can start really getting into your funnels and start as an affiliate taking advantage of certain actions users take. Now, lastly, before we end this video, there's one more step that you can do here that really advanced affiliates are doing, and they are either contacting the offer owners. So in this case, you could contact Research. There's a way to do that through here. They have an affiliate channel here that you can click on, Research Affiliates. Find yourself an affiliate manager who will place your pixel also on the sales page or on the thank you page after the person has actually purchased the product. This is getting super aggressive in your tracking, but this is how we do it, and that is what you want to do. The same method and theory applies to if you're working on a CPA network. You can go into some CPA networks that use Cake or Everflow tracking technologies, where they have events set up already for you, so you can just put your pixels in those events spots. So it says, for example, if you're running a finance offer and you want people that finish the finance form up to a certain page in the form, they can fire that event for you, and then you can start targeting those higher quality visitors to your funnels, okay? So as an affiliate marketer, we have many opportunities here to build an actual sales funnel. It is not hard to do using tools like OptimizePress and Amember. You don't need to invest in these big high-tech overpriced softwares like ClickFunnels. You can actually just do it using tools like this, and you'll have full ownership of the funnel, and you have full ownership of where you can place your pixels. And then the only next step is that you make good relationships with the advertisers or the product owners so you can get your pixels on those pages as well, because everything about the funnel is about tracking every little step along the way. Now, if you want some more advanced tracking tutorials and all of that other stuff, stay tuned to this channel, subscribe, or go to powerhouseaffiliate.com for our premium training. And thank you for watching. Hopefully that was a little help in understanding sales funnels for affiliate marketers.